Mastering container placement in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase that might sound a bit technical at first: container placement. Stick with us as we break down what it means and how you can use it effectively in your conversations and writing. Container placement refers to the positioning or arrangement of objects within a certain space or area, especially in contexts like shipping, logistics, and storage. It's all about how containers, which can literally mean large metal boxes used for transport, or more broadly, any type of receptacle, are organized in a given environment. Why is container placement important? In practical terms, efficient container placement can significantly impact the optimization of space, safety, and accessibility. This concept is crucial in industries like shipping, where maximizing the number of containers on a ship or in a storage area without compromising safety is key. While container placement might seem industry-specific, the concept can be applied more broadly in everyday language to describe the organization of items within any space. For example, talking about organizing your kitchen, you might discuss the placement of containers in your cabinets to maximize space and keep things within easy reach. Let's put our understanding into practice. Here are a few examples of how you can use container placement in sentences. The warehouse manager devised a new container placement strategy to improve efficiency. Correct container placement is essential for balancing the ship. We need to rethink our kitchen's container placement to make cooking easier. And there you have it, a closer look at the phrase, container placement, and how it fits into both specific industries and everyday conversations. We hope this video has shed some light on the topic and given you new insights into the versatility of English. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to experiment with using new phrases in your dialogues. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.